Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excel in Excel. In this video I am going to teach you how to use index formula. Index has two syntax. One allows you to use an array formula, the other allows you to use a reference formula. The array formula is the most commonly used formula, and in this video I am going to teach you the array formula. So before going to the index and what it does, I will like to use this illustration to explain the index function. Suppose if you need to tell someone to go from this yellow cell to a violet cell, how would you do that? While you think about it, I will explain you index function that will allow you to answer this question. Index formula lets you to go to a particular cell within a group of cells, that is range of cells. It does so by defining the number of rows that you need to go down from the starting point within that table, and number of columns you need to go right or left within that table from the starting point. So once you understand this, so if I have to give an instruction to someone to go from yellow cell to this violet cell in Excel, I'll just say that within the table of E15 to G17, yellow cell is my starting point. So from here, go 3 rows, counting the first cell also, that is 1, 2, 3 rows down, and then 3 columns to the right, also counting E17, 1, 2 and 3. Index function does the same. So let us try this on a data set. So if you see here, I have created a raw table which contains data of types of cars in the sales. Please note that this is just a dummy data created for the purpose of explaining things in an easy manner. So let me start typing in the index formula. Is equal to index, open the parenthesis. Now here I am going to use the first set of index formula, array. Array is just nothing but a group of cells. So I would select this entire table as my array. Suppose if I want Jazz sales in 2010, how do I do that? First I'll freeze this formula and then count where the Jazz is within this table, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll type 4 here, and then for 2010 again starting from here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this gives me the sales of Jazz in 2010, which should be 497,659. Let us check that there. So if you see, this is exactly what the index formula does. Hope you like this video. Let me teach you how to use index with match in my next video. Stay tuned.